Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the Earth signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. No? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga air signs natin? No? So, tignan natin ang iyong career situation right now and then possible lucky numbers or color no within this week, and of course message or advice for you ni universe, right, no, mga air signs. So, let's start with you, Gemini. So, kamusta kayo dyan, Gemini, no? So, tignan natin what is your career situation right now, no, mga Gemini natin. So, let's see what's the situation, no, for you, Gemini. So, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. 3 cards for Gemini, please, Universe, Holy Spirit, 3 cards. So, 3 cards for Gemini. So, tignan natin yan. So, you have this, no, backstab, fire sign, no. So, meron dito, Gemini, no, a fire sign, no, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no. So, maybe kilala mo na ito, no. Siguro lagi kayong in conflict ng tao na ito, no. Binabackstab ka niya kasi siguro ay galit nga talaga to, or maybe ay lagi kayong nag-aaway or may pagtatalo kayo nitong fire sign na ito, no, Gemini. So, I'm sure kilala mo na rin to, no. So, no, itong tao na ito yung nakakasira ng iyong finances, no. Binabackstab ka kasi niya, no. So, nakakagulo siya sa iyong career, no. Something like that, no. So, what else? So, you have this, no, discover your skills, gifts, no. So, for some of you, Gemini, no, you have these skills, no, and gifts na, you have this, the creativity, no. Siguro for some of you, masyado kayong, marami kayong mga, no, kung, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga ginagawa nyo, Gemini, no. But then, kumbaga, may mga madi-discover pa kayo, no, sa inyong skills, no, and you have to kumbaga enhance your skills, no, mga Gemini natin diyan, no. So, ito rin yung makakatulong talaga sa inyong stability, no, something like that, no. So, maybe ito yung isa sa magpapagaan din ng inyong income, no, ang iyong skills. And what else? What's your spending, no? So, sinasabi rito, Gemini, maghinay-hinay ka daw sa iyong paggastos, no, lalo na kapag hindi naman kailangan, right? No, so, hindi naman siguro magtipid-tipid, or for some of you, kailangan din magtipid-tipid, right? No, so, basta ang pinakaano rito is wag gastos ng gastos kung hindi naman kailangan, right? And of course, beware with this fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no, na nagbabackstab sa'yo, maybe sa business man to, o career or job man, no, katrabaho man ito, no, ay baka sinisiraan ka nito, no, hindi mo alam. So, tignan naman natin what are the possible lucky numbers or color, no, kung may makuha tayo for you, Gemini, no, within this week, no. So, kukuha tayo ng number, hindi tayo maghuhulog, no, kasi minsan ang daming nahuhulog. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. 3 cards for Gemini, please. 3 cards for Gemini. So, tignan natin yan. So, you have 9. Ayun din talaga, no, for you talaga tong 77. So, this is an angel number din, no, mga Gemini, no. So, there is a message for you, no, from your angel guides, no. So, you have to check it out. And then also, no, 55, no, also, no, angel number din, no, 55. And pwede rin yung 7755, no. Pwedeng pagsamahin because repeated numbers yan, eh. So, that's an angel number din, no. May mga messages talaga sa iyo ang iyong guides, no, Gemini. So, you have to check it, no. So, kung anong message sa iyo, no. That's I think is really important, no, na messages for you. So, no, again, these are your possible lucky numbers within this week, no. 9, 7, 77, and 55, no. If you see these numbers, no, within this week, no, repeatedly, mga Gemini, no, may marireceive kayong good news, no, positive news, no, something like that, no. So again, no, repeated numbers within this week, no, na ganito na 9, 77, and 55, right? No, so tignan naman natin what is the message or advice for you, Gemini, from the universe, right? No, message or advice for you, Gemini. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Gemini. So what is this? So you have this, no, emotional baggage, no. So kailangan mo daw, Gemini, no, alisin mo na yung mga nagpapabigat sa kalooban mo, no, yung mga pain from the past, alisin mo na because naaapektuhan ng iyong trabaho or businessman. Hindi ka nakakapagtrabaho ng maayos kasi may mga nararamdaman kang sakit no, something like that, galit, sakit, no, kung saan man to nanggagaling, ay kailangan mo nang i-release because malaki na yung epekto ng galit na ito, mga baggages na to, emotional baggages na ito sa iyong life, lalo-lalo na sa iyong career. Hindi ka na nakakapagtrabaho, yung business mo, hindi mo na naaasikaso, no, for some of you, no, or kung nag-aaral ka man, hindi ka makapag-aral because of this. No, you have to release this, no, mga Gemini, no. So ina-advise na kayo ni universe to release those emotional baggages na nandiyan, no, matagal nang nandyan, no. You have to forgive them yourself, no, para makausad ka na, mga Gemini, no. So yeah, that's it for you, Gemini, no. So I hope naka-resonate ka with your reading today, no, mga Gemini. So yeah, thank you for watching, Gemini. So, yeah, no, let's continue, no, with you, Libra. So, hi, kamusta ka dyan, Libra? No, so, let's see what is the situation, no, regardless your career, no. So, yeah, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Libra, para sa iyong career, career situation, right? Career situation for Libra, please. Career situation for Libra. 3 cards for Libra, please, universe. So, maraming gustong lumabas, no, mga Libra, right, no? Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you. For Libra. Yeah, let's see. So, you have, no, this, no, believe in yourself, no? So, parang katulad lang din kay Gemini, no? Kay Gemini ba yun kanina? So, yan, no? Believe in yourself, no? Mga Libra daw, no? So, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo, no? Siguro ay marami ka pa ring doubt sa sarili mo, no? So, maniwala ka sa sarili mo, no? Kung ano man itong mga kakayahan mo sa sarili mo na nagugulat ka, sa'yo yan, ikaw yan, no? Maniwala ka, Libra, right? Palagi kang nagda-doubt sa sarili mo, no? Huwag kang mag-doubt sa sarili mo, no? Maniwala ka that you have those whatever it is, right, Libra? And what else? You have this, no? So, parehas lang din, no? Kanino ba? Kay fire sign siguro ata yun. So, soon, no? New house, no? Diba? Magkakaroon ng bunga lahat ng pinaghirapan mo soon, Libra. Kaya wag kang mag-give up at wag kang magda-doubt sa sarili mo, right? No? Soon, new house, car, more money, happy life, di ba? Ito yung pinapangarap mo, Libra, no? So, makakamit mo yan soon, right? And what else? Basta magsisipag ka lang, di ba? So, change of career, no? So, for some of you, Libra, no, nag-iisip kayong mag-change of career, maybe ay change of business, job man ito, no? Siguro hindi na masyadong maganda, or yeah, di ba? Kaya nag-iisip na kayo. So, it's a good sign din, no? It's a confirmation for you, Libra, na maganda na naiisip mo yan. Tama yan. Kung hindi na maganda para sa'yo, iwanan mo na, magpalit ka na ng career, no? Something like that, no? At maniwala ka sa sarili mo na kaya mo, no? Na kaya mo nang palitan ng mas maayos, no? Mas makakaangat sa iyong stability, no, mga Libra. Kakayanin mo, maniwala ka sa sarili mo, no? At soon, makukuha mo rin lahat ng gusto mo, no? Yung mga pinapangarap mo sa buhay. Basta, maniwala ka lang sa sarili mo, of course, right? No? So wag kang mawawala ng pag-asa, no? So, ayun yung sinasabi sa'yo dito. So, tignan naman natin what are the possible lucky numbers for you, Libra, no? Or color kung may makuha tayo for you, Libra. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards, no? Libra. 3 cards for Libra, please. 3 cards. So, yeah. Tignan natin yan. So, you have this 47, 35, and then may kulay ka, no, color green, no? So, yeah, no, you have 47 and 35, no? So, again, no, if you see these numbers repeatedly, no, within this week, no, mga Libra natin dyan, you will receive some positive or some positive good news, no? Something like that, no? Mga Libra natin, right? No? So, and again, no, you have this lucky lucky color, no, within this week is green, no, right? No, so pwede kang magsuot ng green, no, within this week, no, or magdala ka ng anything na green, no, to attract positivity, no, within this week, no, mga Libra natin, no. So, yeah, no, that's it for you, no. So, 47, 35, and your lucky color within this week is green, no? So, tignan naman natin what is the message or advice from the universe, right, no, for you, Libra. Advice or message for you, Libra, from the universe. So, let's get one card here, no? So, you have this, no, the ship has sailed, no? So, sinasabi dito, Libra, no, nakaalis na kasi yung barko, no? So, maybe ay, kumbaga, ay hinihintay mo to, no? But then, medyo may delays, no, sa iyong, no, kung ano man tong mga ginagawa mo or hinihintay mo na dumating, something like that. May mga delays, no, something like that. Or kung may pag-travel ka, there is a delay, no. But then overall, there will be a delay lang, no, something like that. Because kumaga literal ay naiwanan ka, no. But then syempre, babalik pa rin naman yan, no. Makakarating ka pa rin kung saan mo gustong makapunta, no. Something like that, Libra, no. So, wag kang mawawalan nga ng pag-asa and believe in yourself, no. So ayun yung sinasabi rito. And of course, wag kang maiinip, no, sabi ni universe, because everything is on the right path for you, no, mga Libra, no. You just have to take it slow, no. Step by step, no, makakarating ka rin kung saan yung pinaka-goal mo, no. Makakarating ka sa iyong target, no. Ganun yung sinasabi rito, no. So, yeah, that's it for you, no. Ayan ang advice for you ni Universe, Libra, no. So, I hope naka-resonate ka with your reading today, Libra, no. So, yeah, thank you for watching, Libra. So, yeah, let's continue with you, Aquarius, no. So, kamusta dyan, mga Aquarius natin? So, let's see what's the situation, no, sa inyong career right now, Aquarius natin. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you then, Aquarius, no? 3 cards for your career situation, right? 3 cards. So, 1, 2, 3. So, let's see. So, you have this, no, water sign, fake, backstab. Lagi kong nakukuha to, no. So, yeah, Aquarius, no. So, there is this water sign, no, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no. Maybe ay a business partner, co-worker na akala mo ay friendly sa'yo, no, but then, no, binabackstab ka pala nito, no, sinisiraan ka, no, hindi siya totoo, no, fake friend pala ito, no, at enemy ang tingin niya sa'yo, maybe kakompetensya ang tingin niya sa'yo, kaya sinisiraan ka, no, with this person, itong person na ito, right, no, mga Aquarius. So, beware, no, with this person. And what else? Manifestor, no, anything, no. So, you are this, no, Aquarius, you're like a magician, no, kung ano man yung mga gusto mo ay nakukuha mo, no, something like that, no, because you are this, no, hard worker. So, you are really working hard, no, something like that, no, para to reach your goal, no? Kasi hindi ka talaga tumitigil, no? Whatever you want is talagang talagang gagawin mo yung lahat para makuha mo yun. So that is your your energy na super positive ka talaga sa lahat. You are very optimistic in anything, no? Kaya hindi nagiging imposible sa yung mga ay nagiging possible sa yung imposible, no? Something like that, no? So you have this being optimistic always, no? So and then you have this, no, 'di ba? God is with you in this battle, right? No? So kung ano man 'tong mga sinisimulan mo, mga pagsubok mo, 'di ba? Hindi ka sumusuko, and because God is with you, no? Always, no, mga Aquarius natin. So 'di ba napakaganda kayo lang in main, 'di ba? God is always with you, no? Mga Aquarius. Kaya wag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Laban lang hanggang ma-reach nyo yung gusto nyo, yung pangarap nyo sa buhay, no? Continue nyo lang kung anong ginagawa nyo, no? And beware sa mga tao sa paligid nyo na binabackstab lang kayo, hindi maganda ang ang agenda sa inyo, right? No, mga Aquarius natin. So, yeah, that's it, no? So, talagang mag-ingat-ingat kayo, no? So, tignan naman natin what are the possible lucky numbers for you within this week, no, mga Aquarius natin. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Aquarius. So, yeah, 1, 2, and 3, no? So, tingnan natin yan. So, you have this 46, 72, and number 8, no? So, once you see this, no, itong mga numbers na to, no, repeatedly, no, Aquarius, no, within this week, no, you will receive some good news, no, positive news, no, something like that, no. So, again, no, repeatedly, no, pag nakita mo tong mga numbers na to within this week, no. So, 46, 72, and 8, no, mga Aquarius natin, no, you will receive good positive news, no? Something like that. So, what's the message naman, no, for you, no, from universe, no, message or advice for you, Aquarius, no, from the universe, no, message or advice for you, no, from the universe. So, kuha tayo ng 1 card here, mga Aquarius natin. So, you have this, no, love is in the air, no. So, yan, no, ang ganda naman nito, no. So, sinasabi dito, no, Aquarius, no, so sabi sa iyo ni universe is kumbaga ay siguro sa iyong career, no, kasi nasa career tayo, right, no, someone, no, maybe kung nasa work ka man, sa job man, no, ako worker man, may nagkakagusto sa inyo, no? Sumingit pa yung love life nyo, no, Aquarius, no? So, just take what's resonate, no? So, yan, no? May kinikilig-kilig na dyan, no? So, for sure, alam nyo na yan. So, merong mga nagkakagusto sa inyo sa workplace ninyo, mga Aquarius, no? Talagang sumingit ang inyong love life dito, no? Sa career natin, no? Career reading to, no, mga Aquarius, sinisingit nyo pa yung love life nyo, no. So, yan, no. So, nakuha natin, no. So, merong someone, no, sa inyong job, no, or maybe, may lalapit sa inyo na gustong makipag-collab sa inyo, business, no, business partner, no, or kung nabubulol tuloy ako, or kung may business partner kayo, no, that person is may gusto sa inyo, right? No? So, yun yung nararamdaman ko dito, no? So, or for some of you, kung may mga gustong makipag-partner sa inyo, maybe may crush, no? Something like that, no? So, but then, no, just take what's resonate for you na mga Aquarius natin, no? Naging love reading pa tong matatapos na lang ay sumingit pa ang love, no? Something like that. And of course, no, kayo din mga Aquarius is kung ano man tong mga sinisimulan nyo or mga ginagawa nyo, no, talagang you are so passionate rin naman, no, mga Aquarius. Talagang minamahal nyo rin naman talaga yung career ninyo, no, whatever it is, no. So yan. So yan, no, that's it for you, mga Aquarius natin, no. So again, no, just take what's resonate, and of course, maniwala lang kayo palagi sa sarili nyo at huwag kayong susuko, no. Marireach nyo ang goal nyo sa buhay, no. Maniwala lang kayo, and always, God is with you, no, mga air signs natin dyan. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, lobat na tayo, right? No? So, buti natapos natin ang reading natin, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga air signs, no? So, God bless you all, air signs, and thank you for watching, air signs. Thank